How to install additional language features in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add a new display language and its supporting features. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Time and Language. From there, click on Language and Region. At this point, click on Add a Language. In the next step, search for and select the language you want to add. Following this, click Next once you've chosen your language. Once done, check the boxes for the features you'd like installed alongside it, like text-to-speech, speech recognition, or handwriting. From here, click Install once you've selected the components you need. At this stage, wait a few minutes while Windows downloads and installs the language pack. Keep in mind, once installed, you can set this as your display language by clicking on it in the list, then clicking Set as Display Language. Finally, sign out and back in or restart your computer for the new display language to fully apply across Windows. And that's it. If this guide helped you install additional language features in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.